today's video, Best Gas-Powered Pressure Washer.
There are a lot of products on the market, and without decent research, one can mistakenly go for the wrong product. That's why we've taken a look at the products available and used a comprehensive rating system to help you choose the right product. When we compared the products, we took into account the price, quality, durability, performance, and more. So, if you choose from our list, you can be sure that you buy a great product. And make sure to check the product links down below in the description to see their price and find out more information. So, let's get started.
Best Gas-Powered Pressure Washer.
Starting off our list at number 5. These are our ratings for this product. At number 4. are our ratings for this product. At number 3 in the list.
Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 3200 PSI pressure washer. Great for using around the house, on your patio or deck, or in the garage. You can also clean your recreational equipment, or remove stains from your driveway or sidewalk. This unit is powered by a Champion 224cc engine with a flow capacity of 2.4 gallons per minute, and comes standard with a 25-foot high-pressure hose, comfort grip trigger gun, and 5 interchangeable quick connect nozzles: 0, 15, 25, and 40 degrees. This unit also has built-in detergent tanks, as well as a unique low-pressure detergent nozzle and hose specifically for using with different cleaning chemicals and detergents, making this pressure washer as versatile as it is powerful. And the dolly-style body and wheel kit make it easy to transport this unit wherever you need it. Make sure to wear the proper safety gear when operating your pressure washer. Read your owner's manual to easily get your pressure washer up and running. Open the box to safely access the pressure washer. Assemble the pressure washer. Add oil to the engine. Move the pressure washer outside. Add gasoline to the engine. Connect the wand to the trigger gun. Attach your desired nozzle. Connect the high pressure hose. Connect the garden hose. Turn on the water source. Pull the trigger to purge the air from the hose. Start the engine, and you're ready to go. Champion's 3200 PSI pressure washer. Versatile, portable, and powerful.
These are our ratings for this product. At number 2.
Dirt will never hear the CRAFTSMAN 3000 Max PSI gas pressure washer coming. Powered by a Briggs & Stratton 190cc engine with idle down technology, the power washer cleans up to 40% quieter and is equipped with just check and add, so you'll never have to change the oil for the life of the engine. Simply check and add if more oil is necessary. Plus, an axial cam pump with easy start technology ensures you'll get high pressure output with low effort starting. 4 quick connect nozzles and a direct from concentrate soap system will arm you with all the cleaning versatility to tackle everyday residential cleaning tasks. When it's time to call it a day, a 25-foot flexible hose makes for fewer kinks and easier storage. Proudly made in the USA with global materials, this unit features a 3-year frame, 2-year engine and equipment limited warranty, so you can clean with peace of mind. CRAFTSMAN, we build pride.
These are our ratings for this product. At number 1. these are our ratings for this product. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions about the products, leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.